everyone, welcome to my channel Aries Crochet, and today in this video I share hand knitted crochet baby set designs. You will see different color combination hand knitted designs, plus you will see a single color hand knitted baby set designs. Also you see some embroidery on these baby set. Ribbon work is also done to make it more beautiful. Do watch this video till the end, and I hope you enjoy this video. Subscribe my channel for more crochet and knitted handmade designs. Subscribe my channel by pressing the subscribe button and press the bell button so you never miss any update from my channel. Thanks for watching. Stay home, stay safe.